So we'll be looking at how to check blog traffic and how to use that, like how to get the data for that, how to check the analytics. Okay. So let's get started. Let's move on to the computer screen. So this is our blog. Let's move me out of the way and let's look at this. Okay, we've got this. So we are trying to see how we can find out who is coming to our blog, right? And we also want to see that what is converting. Okay, what I have set up, and let me show you the conversion right on the top. If you can see, I have the free blog traffic challenge. Okay, that was like a whim for me. This is something which I just wanted to test something out. So I put that up, and then I have put a conversion. Conversion means that when they go from this and they sign up, let me pull that up. So when they go to the free blog traffic challenge and then they sign up, then what they land on, see, they will put their email address and their name, and when they sign up they will land on a thank you page, and that I have set as a conversion. You can set it as a goal in Google Analytics. Now, so how do you check all this data? What do you do with this data? Let's take a look. Okay, so you can go to your Google Analytics and first of all look at your landing pages. So what does the landing pages let you know? Landing pages will let you know whether what are your top places where people are coming. So using that data, I can figure out where people are coming, what topics are interesting them, and also I need to see where they are spending more time, where maybe I can do some improvement, like it's ranking on page 2 or something, and I can push that page up, things like that, and how many clicks I am getting. So basically I'm just gauging the interest of my audience, target audience. You also get to see something like this. This is right now who is on your site. Isn't that super exciting? You get to know who is on your site, what exactly are they looking at. Okay, next you can also get to know like from which country they are in, so that you know that okay, this audience is working, this traffic from this country comes at this time, and they are interested in these pages, that kind of data. Okay, just play around with it. And then also one of the fun things I like is to look at the social networks which are sending me traffic. So there's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, as you can see here, and I like to know that okay, is it working for me, is it worth the effort, am I getting conversions? Okay, so for the last 7 days these are the conversions. So yes, it's working. I'm also looking at from where am I getting those conversions. So when when I see all this and I see the medium and I see the flow, I can make a decision on like, okay, this is working, this is not working, maybe what can I give for free on this particular page, things like that. So this you can use very effectively as an affiliate marketer. So as an affiliate marketer, what all you can do, you can just say give away an ebook, and then when they get into your email system, you can send them a sequence of emails with different offers, with lots of value, and they will convert. So I have one entire ebook which is free. You can get it, it's in the description. Go get that, and also check on the link for the autoresponder, that is also free, and set the system up. Okay, and this will help you tremendously. So till next time, let's get this going.